Hello and welcome to our digital teaching package. On the homepage, you will find an introduction as to what is on each page, as well as a video helping you navigate our website. We have a newsletter with a video done by Ms. Klein introducing herself and a video done by Ms. Shafrick introducing herself, and then the newsletter introduces them together and provides contact information and what we'll be doing in the classroom. We also have the permission slip with the instructions on how to download and use the permission slip, and it is linked right here. We have our science experiment, which is our STEAM, and we decided to do a catapult, so we listed the materials and steps, used pictures to help, and Ms. Klein also made an instructional video showing how to do it in case they're having any troubles. We also did a streams unit. This is Ms. Shafrick's. And it's just a nice little PowerPoint of the Streams 10-day unit. Ms. Klein's Stream project, again, a nice little PowerPoint that we can flip through to see it all. Moving on, we have the lessons, and we use Padlet and Edpuzzle in every single one of our lessons, so the lesson page just has a little introduction as to what Padlet is and what Edpuzzle is. For our first one, we have the feelings book, so we listed the objectives. We have an introduction video. We linked the read aloud lesson using Edpuzzle. The instructional video on how to download and use the worksheets. 2 of the worksheets, and the class Padlet for the students to upload their work when they're finished. Our next one is It's Okay to Be Different. Again, we have the objectives, an introduction video, a read-aloud lesson using Edpuzzle, 1 worksheet and the instructional video on how to upload and use the worksheet, and our class Padlet. For our last lesson, we have the family book, and we have our objectives, another introduction video, the Edpuzzle. Instead of a worksheet, we did a family strip activity using Google Slides, and the video showing us how to use them, and the class Padlet for the students to upload their work. We have also included our formal lesson plan, so here is the 10-page packet going through how we plan to teach everything and just a list of everything. Here is where you'll find our e-portfolios, and unfortunately it is not loading at the minute because for some reason, but so you can click on this link here. On other screens it should be loading, but we have Ms. Klein's e-portfolio, and then going back we have the link to Ms. Shafrick's e-portfolio. Again, it's not loading for some reason, but if you click on it, it will bring you right to the e-portfolio, and some other screens should be able to see it. I was just having technical difficulties. Moving on, we have our family corner, and that's just where you can find the frequently asked questions, resources, and some COVID-19 information. So we have our frequently asked questions, and these are all drop-down menus, so we can see all the answers there. And then we also have a Google Forms in order to get in contact with Ms. Klein and Ms. Shafrick. Under the resources, we have 2 different sections. We have educational resources, and this is just a bunch of links to different educational websites, and you can click on this button for each of them and it'll bring you to that website. Scrolling down, we have the community resources for locations in Pelham. We have the Pelham Learning Center, library, and Playful Wonders. And then we also have the school website and information listed on the bottom. For our COVID-19 page, we have some tips, quick links that help find testing sites, vaccine sites or appointments, information from the CDC, and information released by Pelham School District. We also have the impact of COVID-19 on high-risk families, the resources for that, and we did a service learning project. Ms. Klein and Ms. Shafrick, we both wrote a letter to Governor Cuomo. Ms. Klein wrote about COVID-19 and how it's affected vulnerable children, and Ms. Shafrick wrote about Governor Cuomo addressing snow days and COVID-19. And that is everything for our digital teaching package.